good.
Sir,
You see how big I am?
It's dangerous. You need to step over here.
I'm in control of my safety.
Yes, sir. For your safety,
hey, where you 6 foot at? Don't touch me. Hey, watch out now.
Step over
you
here.
can't be touching me.
Yeah, step on the other side of the road.
You understand? I'm recording you right now.
Yes, sir. I know that.
What the fuck are you doing?
Stand over
Are
there.
you fucking stupid? Are you fucking stupid? You gotta be stupid for touching me.
I might be. I don't know.
You know that's a lawsuit, right?
I want you to stand over here.
Just like you talking about putting him back in my damn truck. I know my rights, dude.
I don't want to get hurt, and I don't want you to get hurt.
Then you should have stayed in your fucking car.
Okay, well, I can't do that. I got a call out here to see
you didn't get it. This ain't a traffic stop, though, buddy. You know better.
Look, I got a call out here. I'm on a call, all right?
You don't push me, though. You don't do that.
Yes, sir. I don't want anybody to get hurt. I want to be safe,
Listen,
sir.
you ain't in control of my safety.
You got some ID, sir?
You ain't getting no ID.
Okay, all right. What are you doing?
I ain't doing nothing illegal.
Okay. You're okay?
Yeah, I'm great, man.
Okay, all right.
You're not going to be great when I sue your fucking ass for touching me.
All right, you can't
That's
use
unwanted touch.
unwanted
touch.
You can't use
I'm on
profanity.
public property. I can cuss all day long. It's called free speech.
It's called
No,
disorderly
it ain't, dude. I know better. I know my rights. I know my rights.
To retake.
I know my rights.
You're wrong, and I'm trying to explain
I'm not wrong.
So just don't
I know
cuss
better.
anymore.
I know
Cuss
better.
again,
I know better. I know better.
All right, I'm trying to tell you the statute.
I know.
You can
I
talk
know
over
it.
me.
I know it.
You can talk over me if you want to.
Because you're a dumbass. That's why.
Look, sir.
You touched me. That's what pissed me off. You shouldn't have touched me.
I'm sorry. I don't want you to get hurt.
I don't care about what you want. I'm in control of my safety.
All right. Well,
you have that's an unwanted touch,
and
and I can press charges on your dumb ass.
Well, you do whatever you need to do, sir. I just want you to be safe.
Touch
okay,
me,
buddy?
you fucking stupid, man.
Right.
You should have never touched me.
Now I got a call out here.
Call for service. Do your job then.
Okay.
Investigate.
Okay.
You see what we're doing? That's what we've been doing the whole time.
Y'all, what are you doing?
Illegal protected activity.
Okay,
And you're gonna push me,
sir. You keep going back to the
because that pissed me off, and you had no right to touch me.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm trying to get
you sorry my ass. You wasn't sorry when I told you to stop 3 times.
Once we got over here, we okay now?
3 times. No, we're not okay.
Yes,
we're not okay because you touched me.
Okay. All right, that's fine. All right, and you don't want to give me any information?
You're not getting nothing.
There's nothing wrong with that.
Whatever, man. I ain't hiding. I'm parked on the side of the road.
And you understood why I asked you that. I just explained it to you.
You was fine until you put your hands on me, sir.
You can
What's
say
your
that.
name and badge number?
I don't have a badge number.
ID number.
Yeah, I don't have an ID number.
What's your name, then?
Little. It's right here.
Little. So you don't even know what side it's on?
No, I don't. Cause, I mean,
you don't wear it every day?
Sometimes I wear these uniforms. Sometimes I don't. Yeah. I don't work every day.
So now you can get your dumb ass right back in your car and let me do what I come here to do.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine.
Right.
All right. Have a good day.
Yep.
Be careful.
Yep.
Get hurt, all right?
You know you're going to hear from you touching me like that. I don't care. Listen,
you can't stand
I'm in control of my safety. I see that truck. That's what they're supposed to do. I'm a pedestrian at this point.
Sir, you're in the roadway. If you go over there 25 feet, you're out of the roadway. You can't be out here.
I'm not going out there 25 feet.
You're impeding traffic.
You just did that, not me.
No, he didn't.
You was on that side. He seen you first.
I know.
And if he can't see my big ass, something's wrong.
Look, sir.
Just get back in your car.
Okay. All right. Yes, sir. Have a good day, sir.
Yeah, kick rocks. Touching me. Fucking crazy.
What'd you say?
You can't take pictures of the state facility.
Even from the public right away?
Can't do it, sir.
There's a sheriff down there. Do you see him?
The what?
There's a sheriff down there with his blue lights on.
Down where?
Right over there.
State.
I still can't hear. Why?
That has nothing to do with the state.
Oh, okay.
For security reasons, you can't take pictures of a prison inside like that.
Do you know the general statute?
Don't do anything with me. Don't do anything with me. It's a security.
I know, but do you know?
When I call the captain, you can talk to him then.
Do you know the general statute?
What's the name of your guys' group? Because I've seen videos of you guys in North Carolina.
Look on YouTube and hit North Carolina, dude. You'll find us.
And put the Franklin Correctional.
Did you guys do? Were you guys at Wilson PD? I'm not gonna tell you anything.
Let me tell you, Little come out here a while ago, dude. He pushed me 3 fucking times.
Okay. I'm not gonna do that.
No. I understand that. He didn't. I'm telling you, dude.
Yeah.
That is a train wreck waiting to happen.
No.
He had me. I was
I'm
pissed.
just making contact with you. Just make sure you guys are out of the roadway. Be safe.
We grown.
And,
we grown. We
on this road. So just be safe. And
that's all
like
he
I said,
had to say.
Yeah,
That's all he had to say, dude. And he shoved me 3 fucking times.
Constitutionally, you guys are fine. I
He
would never,
fucked with that, and he's gonna. I'm telling you, dude, he messed up bad.
I'm gonna talk to him.
He
I'm gonna
messed
go talk
up.
to him right
He
now,
messed up.
Now, if it would help a lot, we won't file a complaint if he comes and apologizes.
I'll go talk to him.
If he
I can't
does-
guarantee you. Well, that's his decision. I can't.
If he's got a lot of complaints, he might want to.
I mean, that's out of control. Nobody should conduct themselves like that.
I know.
Nobody.
We're all different human beings, though.
Yeah.
That still don't make it right.
I understand that. I understand. You're absolutely right.
I was cordial, been cordial to the guards here and everything, and he come out there trying to give me direction.
And that's great. Most of the time, they don't have people who are that cordial, so that's all that matters.
It wasn't
you know
that
what I mean?
bad. They hadn't done nothing really wrong, but when Little come out here, he fucked it all up.
Yeah.
And he should know when
Well,
you got a video camera not to pull something like that.
It's fine. Like I said, what you guys are doing is absolutely. You guys are 100% right. All right. What's up, LT? Good, good. Yeah, we're 10-4. Yes, sir. How's it going?
What's your name, sir?
You don't have a name? Oh, you're failing to identify another asshole. I swear, dude. This county's rigged with them. Yeah, fuck you. Did you state your name?
I'm Deputy Snarm, B-Boys 13. This is my zone. I was called out here because there was guys videotaping.
Do you see what I'm saying? All we did is ask for his name.
This officer has serious problems. His body armor doesn't even fit properly, and he doesn't seem to know how to do his job. He walked up with the attitude of someone trying to assert his authority, went straight to the cameraman and shoved him, not once, but 3 times. He seemed to think he could do whatever he wanted, simply because he was wearing a badge and a uniform. He shoved the cameraman so hard that he nearly lost his own balance and almost fell. It's both funny and alarming, considering he's carrying a firearm and entrusted with law enforcement authority. He clearly doesn't know how to conduct himself, and he doesn't appear to understand the law either. He also needs to learn that putting your hands on someone without legal justification is unacceptable. His intentions may have been good. Perhaps he believed he was trying to keep everyone safe, but his approach was deeply flawed. In my opinion, this deputy should have been held accountable for his actions. Unfortunately, many people believe that police officers are rarely punished for misconduct, leaving the impression that they receive special treatment under the law. At the very least, videos like this encourage public discussion and remind both citizens and law enforcement that accountability matters. Now it's your turn. If you found this video informative, please hit the like button to support the channel. Leave a comment below. Do you think Big Bubba should have been fired? Share this video so more people can learn about their rights.
Huh? Can't hardly hear you, all the traffic. Really? I know, you can help me. You can help me. Go back in there and make me some coffee and a sandwich.
Excuse me?
You heard what I said?
Property.
Go make me a sandwich.
Move on.
Make me a sandwich.
Move on.
Make me a sandwich.
No.
Go, you know your place in the kitchen, go make me a sandwich.
Excuse me?
You heard what I said. Go make me a coffee and a sandwich.
You're going to get the law called on you.
Hey.
You cannot film private property.
Oh, wow, man, we gonna be in trouble now. Man. Hey, I'd like that sandwich. I'd like that sandwich.
You move on.
Yeah. Later, Karen.
Move and get to stepping.
See you, Karen.
Quick, kick gravel and travel.
I want that sandwich.
Guys, this is what we call the walk of butt hurt.
Yeah. I'd take lettuce and cheese on that sandwich. Some bacon will be good too. Some bologna. Hey, while you at it, fry me an egg. Don't forget the coffee.
2 sugars, 1 cream.
We're gonna get the
Law.
HRP News, we're gonna get the law called on us.
We get the law called on.
Oh my God. Becky, look at that Karen. Hey, where's my sandwich? Where's my sandwich at? Where's my sandwich? You got my sandwich? Huh? Can't hear you from up there, man. There's too much noise down here. So all I see is a bunch of flapping. All I see is a bunch of flapping, Karen. Where's my sandwich at?
In your kitchen.
In my kitchen? Well, why don't you make me one?
Why don't you leave?
Why don't you make me leave?
They're on their way to make you leave.
Okay, you got how much you want to bet? How much you want to bet, Karen? You a betting woman? How much you want to bet I won't leave? I'll be right here.
Well, you'll leave when the sheriff tells you.
How much you want to bet?
Well, then you'll go to jail.
How much you want to bet I won't? Huh?
Badge number, Shane?
Did you say Did you say
Charlie 6.
You don't know it? Hey, wait. Before you do it, we already know what not to do, so you can save your breath. Appreciate it.
Okay.
Yeah.
I have to respond.
I know you got to respond to a call. That's fine.
We didn't call you. Yeah, she called.
Yeah,
we didn't. That's our public duty to respond.
Public duty.
Yeah. So as
Long as we ain't, I just told you we know all that, man. Come on, save your breath. You was cool. You told her we had a right to be out here.
Yep.
Then you know we already know where to stand and where not to stand, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, there you go.
Okay.
That's it. All right, that's all you got. That's it, man.
Okay.
You done good.
Feel free to record.
We already know. Yeah, you can't help it, can you, bud? Come on, man. All right. All right.
Don't mistake in your service issue firearm as a taser. Don't plant drugs on traffic stops. Blah blah.
Yeah. See, they can't. It's in them, but I mean, he was cool. He didn't violate our rights, right?
He didn't violate your rights.
But he had to come out here. After I already done told him 3 times, save his breath. And what did he say? You know what I mean? I mean, cool. They done the right thing by not violating their right. She was like 100,000% we was going to jail. You know what I mean? So y'all don't go nowhere.
We've got a woman who was completely triggered by a simple request. Make me a sandwich and a cup of coffee. I have to admit, that was pretty funny. Asking a Karen to make a sandwich is certainly one way to add a little humor while still getting the job done. The police arrived, asked a few questions, and confirmed that the cameraman had every right to be there. They didn't violate anyone's rights. They didn't make an arrest. They simply assessed the situation and left. What's funny is that after the officers realized the cameraman was within his rights, they didn't say anything like, "I'm sorry, you were right and I was wrong. Please accept my apology." They just walked away as if nothing had happened. At least they respected the citizens' rights and allowed the situation to end peacefully. Now it's your turn. If you found this video both entertaining and informative, please hit the like button to support the channel. Leave a comment below. Do you think Karen should have laughed it off too? And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our next video.
There they come. 2 units. 1. It's not even an entrance. It's an exit. Now you're blocking the exit. Hey, you know that's an exit, right? It's an exit only.
Yeah, it's private property.
Yeah, you probably shouldn't.
We're gonna start doing this.
You probably shouldn't be on the exit.
Don't worry about me.
Yeah, I'm worried about you.
How
Yeah,
are you doing today?
I'm all right. What's your name and badge number?
Yeah,
I don't like your f***ing attitude already.
It's okay.
All right. I don't like your attitude already. You already parked like an asshole, dude.
So see the way that you're interacting with
Yeah.
me? That brings my attitude.
Oh,
So,
it does?
Yeah.
Oh, your
you know that
attitude.
because you do this all the time.
I do?
Yeah.
You don't even know who I am.
Anyways.
Anyway, what's your name,
badge?
badge number? I can't say it with the... How do you spell that? How do you say that?
There.
Zaire. Do you have a
Yeah.
badge number?
Right here. 112.
I like that badge.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
nice. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right. So I'm going to assume you don't want to produce any ID.
What do you think? Do I have to?
No, you don't have to.
All right.
I
So
know-
why
I
would
know
you
the
ask?
lies. Thanks.
Why would you ask? Because you can.
Because I can.
Because you can.
Exactly.
Yeah. Because people.
See,
Because people, right, like me, know our fucking rights.
Right, but I have
But-
I have the same rights as you. So if I
No, right now you don't.
If I
No,
wanna
yours
ask
are
your
very limited.
ID number.
Yeah.
Not your ID.
Yeah.
Your license.
Yeah.
I can.
Yeah.
Okay. You said no.
Yeah. Good. All right. Bye. Stop blocking the entrance like an asshole.
I'll park there if I want.
Yeah, I know you will. And I'll do what I want. Hey, can I get your name, badge number? Can I just get your name, badge number for the record, please?
Yeah, O'Keefe 153.
O'Keefe 153. Awesome, man. Are you departing? There's no need for you to be here, man. I'm not going on the property. But I do suggest you tell them that I do suggest that you guys tell them that I'm able to do what I'm doing. That's all I ask. A little bit of education, don't hurt anybody. All right? You too, man.
A big officer tried to control a citizen, but couldn't even control his own waistline. He tried to project authority, but instead ended up looking like someone who had completely lost control of the situation. The cameraman stood his ground. He knew the law, knew he had the right to refuse to identify himself when the law didn't require it, and knew that recording in a public place is legal. The officer tried to intimidate him, but it didn't work. He even parked his patrol vehicle in a way that blocked the exit. An unprofessional move that showed a lack of consideration for others. The cameraman wasn't shaken. He kept recording, continued calmly asserting his rights, and in the end, the officers left without accomplishing what they had set out to do. What do you think? Like this video if you think the officer was wrong. Leave a comment. Do you think he should have been reprimanded for blocking the exit? Subscribe for more First Amendment audit encounters and accountability videos. Stand your ground, know your rights, and thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.